In this video I'll be showing you how to change the eject knob on a microwave oven. So this is a sharp carousel microwave oven, and the thing with this, the knob on this, a dry rot. Alright, so a dry rot, it not holding properly, as you can see. It's supposed to have 1, 2, 3 piece sticking out that line up with these 3 holes, and you can see that the dry rot. And it break up, and you can see someone put some tape over it to hold it in place. And the spring for this, it don't have a spring for this, it's supposed to have a spring for this, so when I press it, it will pop out with the spring, but it don't have a spring for this. So today I will be changing this whole keypad circuit board on this microwave. Alright, so first thing first, you make sure it unplugged. Alright, so make sure it unplug. Alright, and now there is 1 screw to remove on top. So you remove that 1 screw. Remove the connections. Now remember, whenever you move any connections, you keep records and make sure the same way you take it out, the same way you put back on. So you need to remember all this. Alright, so you take it out, you rest that side, and this will be the replacement because I don't have a white one, but the black one will work fine. Right, it's the same model, it's just different color. Alright, so you can see right, you can see all has the same function, everything. It's just different color. So if you can't get the same white color, you just use something that is a different color. Right, just make sure I line up properly. Make sure I have the same connections, 1, 2, 3, 4 connections, and one top here, and the rest it in like that. You install back the wires in the original place, and make sure all is still back in the original position. You don't want to cross it, you don't want to mix it up. Alright, put back the screw that hold the circuit board keypad. And now it's time to test it. plug it on. Right, so when you're installing a circuit board with Keypad, make sure all the knobs are working. Right, so you're working now. I will test it out. I will run for 12 seconds. And it's working fine, right? It's warm. So there you have it. Now you know how to change a Keypad circuit board on a microwave oven. So thanks for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment below. Until next time, Mr. Fix It 360 saying good luck with all your repairs.